I'm going to show you how to check recently played songs on your Spotify. So if you want to kind of know what you've recently been listening to, it's very easy to check this out. So let's go ahead to our Spotify app and let's go ahead and load this up. This is just my homepage. So what you want to do here is, as you see, I do have a song here. What we can do is go ahead and go to our profile at the top left hand corner. And from here, all you have to do is hit recents. And this is going to show you a history of what you've recently been playing. Now, there are a couple differences here. Like, it will show you one specific song that you have played. As you see, mine says today. But it will also show you the date and the playlist, or the Spotify playlist that you have the song under. So keep in mind, it may show you the playlist at first, but everything has a drop down arrow at the far right side, and that will show you the specific song. If it doesn't show up for you right away, the only thing you really have to do is go ahead and shut down the app and restart it, and then that will refresh the app itself. Go back to your profile at the top left, and then go back to recents, and then your recent song will show up here on Spotify. But that